Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now you need to click on the search bar, type calendar and tap on this app. Over here, click on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. From here you need to pick a date by clicking at the chosen one and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then choose event. And over here customize it however you wish to. You can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also add people, choose location, set up notifications, minutes, hours, or days before, click done, and even change color. You can also take notes and some other things. But when you're done, remember to click save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always delete it though by tapping on it and clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of this pop-up. Then choose delete and confirm your choice by tapping on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!